man with a mic in my hand. So how to get his hand? If I get a lot of fans, then I'm a dangerous man with a mic in my hand. Now let's go. Yeah, I'm a dangerous man with a mic in my hand. Now let's go. Yeah, I am what I am. I'm a dangerous man with a mic in my hand now. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check, what you gon' do? Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check, what you gon' do? Who rock this?
He rock the mic, 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 he rock the mic.
I ain't with it, gang, but we dangerous. When it come to making bangers, you can't bang with us. Strangers that strange to us can't hang with us. It's like a hanger. You haters need to hang it up. Yo, you prank callers can't relate to a frank talker. Might as well get your face on till you're not legit. You tell us claiming your bank robbers. Might as well go to the bank offering fake dollars. You counterfeit. You fake ballers play soccer but don't know how to kick. Flows with the pros got combos, a lot of hits. This head knocker turn brawlers and out of it. It's a head, not a turn ass kickers to ass kissers. These transmitters get took out along with the garbage they put out with more beef than cookout. All these pigs shook from the big black book, too big to overlook. Better look out for this hook. I'ma say what I can if